In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to delete watch history on Instagram. Let's get started. First, make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram app. Then you can launch it. Now navigate to your profile page. Now click on three bars given at the top right. Here you're gonna find different option. Scroll down. Under how you use Instagram, you're gonna find the option of your activity. You will need to click on this option. Now scroll all the way down. Navigate to the option watch history. Click on it. Here you're going to find a list of videos you have recently watched, arranged from newest to oldest, along with options to filter or sort them. To delete your watch history, tap select. Now check in for all the videos that you want to remove from this section. Then click on remove given at the bottom middle. Confirm it. With that, selected videos will be removed from this section. By following the same steps, you are able to remove other videos as well. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.